Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, welcome back, you guys. Today we are
at Knott's Berry Farms.
Knott's Berry Farm, yeah. So
big roller coaster just went by.
Yeah, it's very interesting. It's like right next to the main road. It's like right next to the parking lot. It's definitely a different experience, but we're not going into the theme park today. We are actually gonna go try the restaurant, the Knott's Berry, famous fried chicken.
Yeah.
So come tag along with us today while we go try a Southern California staple.
Yeah, come get lost with us today.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
I cannot beat you. No, I won't have it, babe. Not playing this game. I do not feel you. I'm not crossing that tape. It would be a shame. So listen, baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. I feel us waiting. Listen carefully. Let's stop this charade. Stop this charade. Stop this charade. I wanna make things right. Run away on this night. Do whatever we like. We will see things clearly. On top of the world is what we deserve. So listen, baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. I feel us waiting. Listen carefully. Let's stop this charade.
Alright guys, so we ordered our drinks. I got the boysenberry lemonade and Gary got the boysenberry punch. And we're gonna give it a go because we're good. Cheers. It's good. And now we trade. Which is almost the same.
Yeah, I would say the only difference between the lemonade and the punch is the lemonade has a little bit of a like sour bit
A little more
bite to
tart.
that lemonade. Yeah, a little like bite from this lemonade. Otherwise, it tastes pretty much the same. There's not really a strong flavor. It just tastes like a little bit of sweetness, really.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
We ordered some sliders as an appetizer, and then we both got the fried chicken dinner. So whenever all that yummy food comes out, we're gonna show you guys.
Yeah.
Our salads and our biscuits just came, so we're gonna partake in.
So let's try a biscuit first.
I've heard all about these biscuits from other vloggers, so thank you, babe. That's a little baby biscuit.
They're not as big as the normal biscuits, I guess. I mean, that means nothing. And then they gave us some boysenberry butter. I'm gonna give it a shot at. pressure doesn't wait to sync up, I guess.
Biscuits are good.
Yeah, biscuits are pretty good. They're definitely melt in your mouth, for sure.
And buttery. The boysenberry butter is really good too.
Yeah, it gives a little sweet kick to it. Yeah, they're a good homemade biscuit.
Yeah, they're not dry. I like them.
So we'll touch base again when we get our chicken sliders and show you all those.
So we got the chicken sliders, and it looks like it comes with ranch and some type of barbecue sauce.
Yeah, it's definitely barbecue. It's a craft barbecue.
They subbed it out.
Alright, so you see the sliders kind of on like a Hawaiian roll.
A little bit of mayonnaise and a pickle.
There's, yeah. I got some pickle on there.
Thank you. This is pretty good.
Yeah, chicken's well fried, super juicy.
It's got a good flavor.
The mayonnaise had a little kick to the chicken. It's definitely a panko chicken too. It's good. I would recommend these.
Just FYI, the ranch and the barbecue are not house made. But it's good. Alright, we'll be back when our main dish comes in. Alright, so our main dish just came out. We both got the 3-piece fried chicken dinner. It comes with mashed potatoes and gravy, and then we decided to get a side of pork.
Yes.
So, guess it's time to dig in.
Let's give the chicken a try. So it looks like we got a breast, a thigh, and a wing.
Yeah, so half a chicken. I'll start with my chicken skin. Kind of makes me think of Publix fried chicken.
Nice and juicy. The skin's really crispy, well fried again. And I would compare it, yeah, that's honestly what came to mind when I took a bite of it too, is Publix chicken. It's very close to that Publix chicken.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm gonna try mine in a little gravy. Yeah, gravy is good. Yeah, the gravy is really good.
It's like a pepper gravy. And the mashed potatoes are a little lumpy, which I think is good. It definitely has a nice little contrast. I like the mashed potatoes and gravy, it's good.
Try the cold.
Definitely fresh potatoes too. Definitely fresh potatoes.
Corn's not bad. It's buttery. It's not sweet corn, but it's good.
Yeah, nice and buttery.
I have to say, I like it.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this, especially if you like fried chicken. It's a really well done fried chicken.
And the restaurant's really not busy.
It is a Tuesday though.
In the afternoon. So, I'm sure on the weekends, it's probably a different story.
Alright, we're gonna get to eating our chicken, and then we'll probably either touch base before we leave or after we get out. So we'll see you then.
So It's not too late to be heard. So tell me what I need to know. Tell me what I need to know. And stop this charade.
Alright, so we finished up our Knott's Berry chicken dinner.
Yeah. It was really good. It wasn't like the greatest fried chicken I've ever had, but it was tasty.
Yeah, it was definitely a tasty fried chicken. If you're in the South, Publix has about the same sort of chicken. I think their white meat is a little more seasoned than Publix, but the dark meat is exactly the same.
Yeah, and it comes with mashed potatoes and corn, and then you can pick another side. You could either get soup or salad, or they have like a rhubarb salad too. We both ended up getting the green salad with ranch, and the ranch is a bottled ranch, so that was kind of a huge disappointment.
Yeah, seeing as they make all these like syrups and stuff, to have a bottled Kraft ranch wasn't super impressive to us.
Yeah, so that was a little bit of a letdown, but overall the dinner was really good. We spent about $65 on our meal, not including our tip. And we both tried like 2 different of the boysenberry drinks, which were actually pretty tasty. Set my blood sugar really high, but they were tasty.
So it's definitely worth a try if you're in the area, and it's really only like 5 to 10 minutes away from Disney, so it's definitely a change of pace, and it's definitely a lot slower over here than it is over there.
Yeah, I can't speak to the weekends because it is the middle of the week, but for a Tuesday afternoon, it was pretty slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you guys have ever been to Knott's Berry Farm and had the fried chicken dinner, let us know what you guys thought.
Yeah, let us know in the comments below. Also, if you tried the chicken soup, because it's supposed to be famous or something.
Maybe next time I'll try the soup if we come back here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to ring that notification bell so you get the updates.
And we will see you guys in the next adventure.
Yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family.